Good afternoon. The Appellate Division, First Department, is now in session. My colleagues and I welcome you all. Ms. Guerrero, you may proceed with your motion.
Thank you, Justice Gish. May it please the court and good morning. Oh, good afternoon, I'm sorry. I, Veronica Guerrero, counsel to this court's Committee on Character and Fitness, am honored this afternoon to present to the court 25 applicants for admission to the bar. Further, I am pleased to report that the committee has examined the records of each applicant appearing here today. Accordingly, and on behalf of the committee, I certify that each applicant appearing here this afternoon does possess the requisite character and fitness to merit admission to the bar of the state of New York, and therefore I do hereby move for their admission.
Before I rule on your motion, I want to ask you to convey to the members of the Committee on Character and Fitness our thanks for the excellent job they have done to assure today that the candidates presented are well qualified for admission. The committee's work is incredibly important to the bar of the state of New York and greatly appreciated by all the justices of the court. I also want to let the candidates understand that the committee serves pro bono, and we're grateful for that service. Now let's turn to the motion before the court. Justice Cardozo famously said, "Justice delayed is justice denied," and I want to assure you that there'll be no denial of justice today because my colleagues have authorized me to grant Ms. Guerrero's motion.
Thank you.
The oath will now be administered by Susana Rojas, the clerk of our court.
Good afternoon, Justice Gish. Good afternoon, candidates. I will administer the oath in the form of a question. At the end, I will ask you to unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do." At this point, I ask everyone to please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm to support the Constitution of the United States and the Constitution of the State of New York, and to faithfully discharge the duties of the office of attorney and counselor at law to the best of your ability? Please unmute your microphones and respond by saying, "I do."
I do.
I do.
Congratulations, attorneys. You may lower your right hand and mute your microphones, please. Thank you.
So congratulations, you are now all officially lawyers, and I'm seeing some smiles, which is nice. I'm going to ask my colleagues to please unmute themselves so we can give you a hearty round of applause. And give each other applause too. It's a wonderful thing. It is customary during these proceedings for one of the justices to give you some welcoming words. And today that honor goes to Justice Kern.
Thank you. On behalf of my fellow justices, I am happy to welcome you, the newly admitted attorneys, to the bar of the state of New York. Achieving admission to the bar has meant much hard work, dedication, and sacrifice for each of you and your loved ones that helped you get here. Your perseverance is all the more impressive because you accomplished this moment during a pandemic. Many of you finished law school and studied for the bar exam in the face of uncertainty and stress caused by COVID-19. Some of you will begin your legal careers remotely from your childhood bedroom, a brave new virtual world. Each and every one of you should be praised for the commitment you have displayed in becoming a member of the bar. However, today is more than just a time to praise you for what you have accomplished thus far. Today is a day to remind you to focus on professional experiences that lie ahead. You are certain to face challenges and hurdles along the way, whether you commit yourselves to litigation, public service, or transactional law. Each of these challenges and hurdles will present you with opportunities to learn and grow as attorneys and as individuals. I encourage you to embrace the challenges and opportunities come your way. Being a lawyer is an immense honor and privilege. You will be responsible every single day for understanding your client's legal needs and for representing the interests of your clients to the best of your abilities. It is an awesome responsibility. Lawyers are thinkers and problem solvers, and good lawyers strive to help others and make the world a better place than it was when they began their careers. Being a lawyer has been and continues to be a dynamic vehicle for social change in the area of civil rights and gender equality and increasing access to economic and social opportunities. It is also a profession which is being reshaped by modern society. You all, as new attorneys, will confront the emerging legal and ethical issues associated with information technology, such as e-discovery, social networking, and privacy concerns of a technology-driven society such as ours. Indeed, the changes and the challenges of the future will include things that we cannot even imagine today, or as Captain Kirk might have put it, you will boldly go where no man or woman has gone before, simply because the world is changing so fast and so much. As lawyers, however, you have your ethical compass and your deep commitment to the rule of law to guide you, even as technology and social and political changes raise novel and challenging questions for all. Among your many ethical obligations, always remember the importance of doing pro bono work for the good of the public. Each of you now has unique skills and talents that enable you to use the power of the law. It will be up to you, as the newest lawyers of our time, to see that the power of law is used honestly, ethically, and equitably for the public good. Please volunteer your time, your knowledge, and your skills willingly to those in need of counsel. You must strive to ensure that the law is not used to diminish the rights of those who are out of favor or who are without sufficient means to pursue their rights or defend themselves. Pursue these ideals with vigor and passion, and you will go far. Always retain your integrity, and remember that a lawyer's most valuable possession is a good reputation, a reputation for truthfulness, ethics, diligence, and loyalty to one's client. I must admit, nearly a year after we started conducting court proceedings virtually, it still feels very strange to welcome you to the profession from this desk. In normal times, we would have welcomed you and your families to the courthouse. Our 121-year-old courthouse is both an artistic and historical marvel. Its many murals and statues display the ideals on which our legal system is based: justice, wisdom, and power. Many of our greatest luminaries were sworn in here, such as the late Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg. But this pandemic has taught me that a courthouse is merely a physical reminder that we all strive for justice, and that justice is a goal and an ideal that can be achieved whether we are all physically together or working towards that goal virtually. This is only the beginning for you. With hard work and dedication, nothing is out of your reach. The law is now yours to uphold. I am confident that each of you will do your best to strive for greatness and fulfill the oath you took here today. Good luck and congratulations on this momentous happy day.
Thank you, Justice Kern. And at this time, this session of the court is now closed. Good luck.
Thank you. The justices will log off. The new attorney